Try to do another one of these. Look at that. This is the one. Oh, I'm so can't walk over. Look, vertigo. I'm walking over water. Okay. Oh shit! I'm gonna fall. It's the old train bridge. It's Arkansas. Look, there's the old base. Just go over there. I'm standing over the fucking river, bro. Look at that river. It's a river, bro. Okay. I'm gonna walk. Look. Go up the train tracks. Whew. Dog, you don't like it. Hey, Sacco, you don't like it, do you? See, no, it hurts my feet. If anybody tell me what the agate is that they dropped out of here on this black, I figure it's from the old mines, all this shit that just melted off. But if you can see, I don't know if you can see. Oh, there's a tree in the way. Jump rock closed. See that? See, jump rock closed. No nimming. You can't nim in it. I can go swimming in it though. Your sign messed up. So we're going after the geocache called Shiny. Something shiny. I found it before. I know where it is. But I took the back way home. I want to show you this. Wanted to let you know. Peace train, holy rolling. Everyone climb aboard the peace train. Ooh, aboard the peace train. I've been smiling lately, thinking about the world as it is. Why must go on hating? Why can't we live in bliss? Out on the edge of darkness, here rides a peace train. A peace train, take this country, come take me home again. Now I've been crying lately, thinking about the world as it is. Why must we go on hating? Why can't we live in bliss? 'Cause out on the edge of darkness, here rides the peace train. A peace train, take this country and take me home again. So I thought it was in this tree. GPS pinned me right here. And if you don't know me or not a fan of ping trees. Geocaches in the tree branch? Cool, man. Nope, but I said it's a silver shiny thing. Well, I closed the door. Someone opened it. Good luck.